Welcome. So today we will talk about some of the major questions that were asked in the paper 1. So those pertain to education. There were questions on Yashpal committee, Kothari committee. In computers, there were questions related to memory, worms, trojans, so virus. The section on environment was very important. This time there were questions on water treatment. So electrostatic precipitators, aeration, flocculation were some of the techniques that were asked. Ancient IKS systems, so ancient mathematics, there were questions related to Leelavati, there were questions related to Ramanujan. Then the questions pertain to movies in communication. Now this was a very different than expected. There were questions which talked about which movies were chronologically arranged. Questions pertaining to the volume of sales from individual movies. So that was a very different section. I would say this was asked for the very first time. Now again, Indian knowledge, the National Knowledge Commission was one of the important questions which was asked. Questions pertain to Bloom's taxonomy, hypothesis, then there were questions related to sampling. DI and reasoning were relatively simpler. Reading comprehension varied. In some sets it was relatively easier. For education, the reading comprehension was relatively easier. So that was an overall view for your NET examination for the shift 1. We would be covering shift 2 again, but of course the topics that we have mentioned become important for the forthcoming shift. So prepare well, practice well. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.